Subject is integral transform, unit is Z transform, video number 5. This is video of example on Z transform. Dear friend, subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. For definition of region of convergence means ROC. ROC region of convergence of Z transform. We know Z transform of f of k is denoted as capital FZ and is equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity f of k z raised to minus k. This is definition of Z transform. Z transform of f of k exists means we can find out Z transform when this series is convergent. When this series is convergent. Z transform of function f of k exists when this series is convergence. Means we can find out finite sum. We can find out finite sum, that is sum of this series on right hand side exists. That is the sum of series on right hand side exists. Then Z transform of f of k exists. Means find the value of this series is a finite value. Is a finite value. If the sum is infinity, then Z transform of f of k does not exist. Now by using the definition, evaluate example. First, find the ROC region of convergence of Z transform of f of k is equal to sequence is 2, 1, 5, 7. Arrow is here. Mean this is value of function when k equal to 0. Mean this is value of f of 0. Then this is value of f of 1. This is value of f of 2 and f of 3. Given f of k equal to 2, 1, 5, 7. Therefore f of 0 is 2. When k is 0, value of function is 2, f of 0 is 2. When k is 1, means f of 1 is 1. When k is 2, value of function is 5, f of 2 is 5. When k is 3, means f of 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, Z transform of f of k, we know definition, sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity, f of k z raised to minus k. But here value of k from 0 to 3. K is 0, 1, 2, 3. So sigma k varies from 0 to 3. Sigma k varies from 0 to 3. F of k z raised to minus k, and Z transform of f of k is denoted by capital FZ. Capital FZ. So is equal to, expand this series. First put k is 0. So f of 0 z raised to 0. Plus put k is 1. F of 1 z raised to minus 1. Put k is 2. So f of 2 z raised to minus 2. Plus f of 3 z raised to minus 3. Put the value of f of 0, f of 1, f of 2, f of 3. F of 0 is 2. So 2 z raised to 1 is 1. Plus f of 1 is 1 z raised to minus 1. Plus f of 2 is 5 z raised to minus 2. F of 3 is 7 z raised to minus 3. Equal to we get 2. Plus z raised to minus 1 means 1 upon z. Plus 5. Z raised to minus 2 means upon z raised to plus 2 means plus 5 upon z square plus 7 upon z cube. Now check the value of fz is finite f of z. Now when z equal to infinity, so 1 upon infinity is 0, so this is 0, this is 0, means fz equal to 2 only. When z is infinity, fz is 2. And when z is 0, z equal to 0, so 1 upon 0 is infinity, so fz is infinity. When z is infinity, fz is 2. When z is 0, fz equal to infinity. Means region of convergence is whole z plane except z equal to 0. Region of convergence of fz is entire z plane except at z equal to 0. Because at z equal to 0, fz is infinity. Therefore, region of convergence of fz is entire z plane except z equal to 0. Example second, find the region of convergence of Z transform of f of k is equal to sequence 3, 1, 4, 6. Arrow is here. Mean this is value of function when k equal to 0. This is value of function when k equal to minus 1. This is value of function at k equal to minus 2, and when k is minus 3, value of function is 3. Means f of minus 3 is 3, f of minus 2 is 1, f of minus 1 is 4, and f of 0 is 6. F of 0 is 6, f of minus 1 is 4, f of minus 2 is 1, and f of minus 3 is 3. Then find out Z transform of f of k. By definition, Z transform of f of k equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity f of k z raised to minus k. Now here value of k from minus 3 to 0. Value of k from minus 3 to 0. So k varies from minus 3 to 0 f of k z raised to minus k, and Z transform of f of k denoted as capital Fz equal to, now write down expansion of this series, equal to f of minus 3 z raised to minus of minus 3 is plus 3, f of minus 3 z raised to 3 plus f of minus 2 z square plus f of minus 1 z raised to 1 plus f of 0 z raised to 0. Now put the value of f of minus 3 is 3 z cube, f of minus 2 is 1 z square plus f of minus 1 is 4 z raised to 1, and f of 0 is 6 and z raised to 0 is 1. 6 into 1 is 6. So equal to 3z cube plus z square plus 4z plus 6. Now find the value of fz when z is 0 and z is infinity. When z is 0, put z is 0, so 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 means only 6. Fz equal to 6 when z equal to 0. And when z is infinity, so this value is infinity, so fz equal to infinity. When z is infinity, fz is infinity. When z is 0, fz equal to 6. Means region of convergence of Z transform is entire Z plane except Z equal to infinity. Region of convergence of fz is entire Z plane except at Z equal to infinity. Next, example number 3. Find region of convergence of Z transform of f of k equal to sequence 4, 1, 5, 6, 2. Arrow is here, mean this is value of function when k equal to 0, mean this is f of 0 is 6, f of 1 is 2, f of minus 1 is 5, f of minus 2 is 1, and f of minus 3 is 4. F of 0 is 6, f of 1 is 2, f of minus 1 is 5, f of minus 2 is 1, and f of minus 3 is 4. Now write down definition of Z transform. Therefore, Z transform of f of k equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to plus infinity f of k z raised to minus k. Therefore, capital Fz, this is capital Fz equal to sigma, means value of k is minus 3 to plus 1. Value of k from minus 3 to plus 1, f of k z raised to minus k. Now expand this series, put the value of k is minus 3 first, f of minus 3 z raised to 3 plus f of minus 2 z square plus f of minus 1 z raised to 1 plus f of 0 z raised to 0 plus f of 1 z raised to minus 1 plus f of 1 z raised to minus 1. Put the value of f of minus 3, 4, f of minus 2, f of minus 1, f of 0 and f of 1. So we get 4z cube plus 1z square plus 5z raised to 1 plus 6, f of 0 is 6 into 1 is 6 plus f of 1 is 2 into z raised to minus 1. So equal to we get 4z cube plus z square plus 5z plus 6 plus 2 upon z plus 2 upon z. Now check the value of fz is finite or infinite. When z equal to 0, so 2 upon 0 is infinity, so fz is infinity. When z is 0, fz is infinity. When z is infinity, put z is infinity, so this is infinity, fz is infinity when z is infinity. Means region of convergence of fz is entire z plane except z is 0 and z is infinity. Region of convergence of fz is entire z plane except at z equal to 0 and z equal to infinity is required answer. Example 4. Find the ROC of Z transform of f of k equal to 2 raised to k for k is greater than or equal to 0, means for k is positive. Find the region of convergence of Z transform. We know Z transform when k is positive is equal to fz equal to sigma k varies from 0 to infinity because k is positive. So sigma k varies from 0 to infinity f of k z raised to minus k. Therefore, z transform of 2 raised to k function is 2 raised to k. Z transform of 2 raised to k equal to sigma k varies from 0 to infinity. F of k is 2 raised to k into z raised to minus k. F of k is 2 raised to k into z raised to minus k equal to sigma k varies from 0 to infinity 2 raised to k upon z raised to k. 2 raised to k upon z raised to k equal to sigma k varies from 0 to infinity 2 upon z bracket raised to k. 2 upon z bracket raised to k equal to, now expand this series, first put k is 0, any term raised to 0 is 1, then plus k is 1, so 2 upon z, put k is 2, so 2 upon z bracket square, put k is 3, so plus 2 upon z bracket cube plus dot 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 equal to, this is a geometric series, this is geometric series whose first term is a is equal to 1 and common ratio is 2 upon z. This is the geometric series whose first term is 1 and common ratio is 2 upon z. And this is sum to infinity, this is infinite GP, and sum to infinity S infinity equal to, we know formula A upon 1 minus R, and region of convergence is mod R less than 1. For mod R less than 1, sum to infinity is A upon 1 minus R for mod R less than 1. Therefore, Z transform of 2 raised to k is equal to sum to infinity, means is equal to a upon 1 minus r. So z transform of 2 raised to k is equal to a is 1 upon 1 minus r is 2 upon z, r is 2 upon z, where r means mod of 2 upon z less than 1. Simplify this, equal to 1 upon LCM is z, so z minus 2 upon z for mod 2 less than mod z, mod 2 less than mod z. So this is z upon is equal to z upon z minus 2. Z is in numerator, z upon z minus 2 for mod z greater than mod 2. Write down this term first, mod z greater than mod 2, and therefore region of convergence of fz is mod z greater than 2. Region of convergence of fz is mod z greater than 2, that is mod z is a circle whose center origin and radius 2. The region is greater than 2 means outside the circle. Region is outside circle whose center at origin and radius 2. Center, origin, radius 2, and this is mod z greater than 2, so outside the circle. Region of convergence is outside the circle whose center at origin and radius 2. Next, example number 5. Find the region of convergence of z transform of f of k equal to 3 raised to k for k less than 0, means k is negative and function is 3 raised to k. Now by definition of z transform of f of k is capital Fz equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to minus 1. Because k is negative, so k varies from minus infinity to minus 1 f of k z raised to minus k. Therefore, z transform of 3 raised to k function is 3 raised to k, sigma k varies from minus infinity to minus 1, f of k is 3 raised to k z raised to minus k equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to minus 1, 3 raised to k, and z raised to minus k is upon z raised to plus k, 3 raised to k upon z raised to k equal to sigma k varies from minus infinity to minus 1, 3 upon z raised to k. Now expand this series is equal to dot 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 minus infinity dot 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 plus 3 upon z, put k is minus 3, 3 upon z raised to minus 3, put k is minus 2, plus 3 upon z raised to minus 2, plus last value of k is minus 1, so plus 3 upon z raised to minus 1 equal to, we get plus is equal to dot 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 plus. This is minus 3, so write down in reverse order z upon 3 raised to plus 3, z upon 3 raised to plus 3. Also write down this in reciprocal z upon 3 raised to plus 2, Also write down this term reciprocal z upon 3 raised to 1. Now write down this series in reverse order. Write down this as the first term equal to z upon 3 plus z upon 3 square plus z upon 3 cube plus dot dot up to infinity. This is a geometric series. This is geometric series whose first term a is z upon 3 and common ratio second term divided by first term means z upon 3. First term is z upon 3, common ratio is also z upon 3. And this is sum to infinity, this is infinite GP, and we know sum to infinity S infinity is a upon 1 minus r for mod r less than 1. Sum to infinity is a upon 1 minus r for mod r less than 1. Put the value of a and r, so z transform of 3 raised to k is equal to value of a is z upon 3 upon 1 minus r is also z upon 3, where mod r means mod z upon 3 less than 1, where mod r less than 1, so mod z upon 3 less than 1. Now simplify this equal to z upon 3 upon LCM is 3, so 3 minus z upon 3, 3 minus z upon 3, mod z less than mod 3, mod z less than mod 3, 3 cancel equal to z upon 3 minus z, mod z less than 3. Therefore, region of convergence of fz is mod z less than 3 is region. Now mod z is a circle whose center origin and radius 3. Now mod z less than 3 means inside the circle less than 3 is a region of convergence is a region inside circle whose center at origin and radius 3. Mod z less than 3, so inside the circle is required answer. Dear friend, subscribe the channel and share to our friend. Thank you.